Another savvy professional investor has come forward saying he was duped by Elizabeth Holmes in the Theranos fraud trial. KPIX5's Len Ramirez is covering the case in San Jose.
Well, the stories of some of these big investors are starting to follow a familiar pattern. Yes, they had their suspicions about Theranos and Elizabeth Holmes, yet they still invested their money. Were they motivated by a fear of missing out?
Brian Grossman is a manager for the investment firm PFM Health Sciences. He testified that he met Elizabeth Holmes and Sunny Balwani in 2013 about investing in Theranos. He testified that Holmes did most of the talking and said she told him that Theranos devices were being used by the Department of Defense in battlefield situations and medevac units, and that several big pharmaceutical firms were using the devices in patient trials. Other witnesses have testified both statements are false.
This witness, had decades of being a biotech analyst. And even he got duped by the claims that Elizabeth Holmes and Balwani made on 2 occasions.
Grossman testified that as part of his due diligence, he went to the Palo Alto Walgreens, which at the time was one of the first to use Theranos devices, to do blood tests for customers. He said he did not get a fingerstick blood draw, but rather a venous puncture like any other lab would do. He said Balwani later told him it was because he had an unusual test done that Theranos wasn't doing yet. Despite that, Grossman invested $96 million in Theranos.
It's the old FOMO, fear of missing out on the next Apple, the next Tesla, and they bought in to the dream, to the vision, and to the product that Elizabeth Holmes was selling.
Former prosecutor and legal analyst Michelle Hagan says Grossman's testimony did help the prosecution establish that Holmes and Balwani were deceptive as a team, which goes to the prosecution's charges of fraud and conspiracy. In San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.